Hey guys, this is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to do a review today of the Real Steel Terra. It's satin edition with carbon fiber laminate handles. So we'll go ahead and start by opening it up. See what we have in the box. Little product information card. Looks like our typical product brochure. Oops. Cleaning cloth, always like those. And of course then the box. Then we have the knife. So we'll start off with the basics of the knife. First of all, it's called the Real Steel Terra, T-E-R-R-A. Has carbon fiber laminate handles. It is a liner lock. It uses Sandvik steel. In this case, I think it's 14C28N. It is 8.4 inches from tip to hilt, and it weighs in at just under 5 ounces. At about 4.75. Blade thickness is pretty much standard, somewhere around 3 millimeters, 3.5 millimeters. Alright, we'll show you the workings of the knife. It has the eye hole here, like you would find similar to one of those other brands that is they're calling. I'm not going to be doing the flipping today because had a little accident the other day with a Real Steel Metamorph, so kind of 1.5 handed here. Overall, we like the impression of the knife. I do like these, the pivot and the spacer down here at the bottom being the same. It has a back spacer, a wire style pocket clip, almost deep carry. I mean, not exactly right up to the edge, but it's about as close as you can get. I'll show you there. Alright, and what you come to watch is we'll show you some cutting here. Should be easier since it has this nice jimping on the handle. We'll start off with some paracord. I don't know how this is going to go because once again I am 1.5 handed. Oh wow, that went through smoothly. We'll show that again. So that was just a little bit. Obviously I couldn't give it much pressure since I have stitches in my hand. Let's show it on some common everyday items. Start off here. This is a little jute. Even on the tip, cuts easy. We'll give it something a little more difficult. We'll use this burlap stuff here. It tends to grab. Not sure if I can grab it. Tends to grab your blade when you cut, but we'll see how it works. Well, I missed that part, but cuts pretty nicely, pretty quickly. So my overall impressions of this blade are, one is I like Real Steel knives. I like the affordability of them, and the way they make their knives. They're always in a qualitily made. Lastly, we will go ahead and wrap this up. Let you guys know that to follow us on Instagram at Atlantic Knife. And for those of you on YouTube, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show where we go over 6 or 7 new knives each week, along with our 1-minute previews that we do. So once again, this is the Real Steel Terra CF. You can always find it on AtlanticKnife.com. I believe it's about $59. And I am C, and I am signing off.